Hi, I'm Ana Silva from the Boathouse, and I want to welcome you aboard the Everglades 335 center console. Let's kick things off with the first thing that will grab your attention, the striking major blue color. This bold, sporty hue is not just a color, it's a statement. It commands attention and gives the 335 an aggressive, sleek look that's going to turn heads at every angle. Paired with a very deep V-hull design, it's not just about looks. This combination also delivers outstanding performance on the water, cutting through the waves with ease and gives you a ride that's both smooth and exhilarating. The forward lounge seating is a perfect place to take in the views and relax. It's spacious, comfortable, and designed with the premium marine-grade upholstery that withstands the toughest conditions while keeping you cozy for the long haul. Plus, beneath this seating, you will find generous storage compartments, perfect for stowing gear, ropes, or anything else you'll need to keep your deck tidy and organized. Now, speaking of storage, the gunnel storage is an added bonus. This unique feature provides so much more space for all your gear, ensuring you have a place for everything, from fishing tackle to your personal belongings. The 335 Everglades is designed to maximize utility without sacrificing style or comfort. Let's take a quick peek at the head compartment. It's not just a restroom, it's a well thought out space that includes a toilet, sink, and additional storage. It gives you the extra level of convenience and privacy so you can feel at home no matter how far you go. Now let's check out the helm station where the magic happens. The ergonomical design of this helm puts everything at your fingertips. With dual Garmin displays, you get the cutting-edge navigation and fish-finding technology, ensuring you're always on track and never missing a moment of action. And of course, the patented sliding windshield from Everglades makes sure your stay is comfortable no matter what the weather is. One of the standout features on this boat is the mezzanine seating. This elevated, luxurious seating option not only provides an incredible comfort, but also gives you a perfect vantage point. The mezzanine seat has you covered, and the best part, it comes with phone chargers. There's even a built-in cooler for easy access to drinks and snacks for those long days on the water. Moving to the stern, which is designed for serious anglers and entertainers alike. The 335 features a large fish box for your catch, a seriously spacious live well to keep all your bait fresh, and multiple rod holders to ensure your gear stays organized and easily accessible. Whether you're fishing inshore or offshore, the stern of the Everglades 335 is ready for all the action. One feature that truly sets this boat apart is the pull-out seats in the stern. Cleverly integrated into the transom, these seats provide extra seating when you need it. At the transom, you will find the powerhouse of the 335 center console with twin Yamaha 450s. These engines deliver jaw-dropping performance. They provide incredible speed, acceleration, and fuel efficiency. You can expect a smooth, responsive ride in any condition, whether you're racing to your favorite fishing spot or cruising leisurely along the coastline. And to ensure the longevity of these high-performing engines, the 335 center console is equipped with an engine reverso flushing system. This easy-to-use system helps maintain the engines by flushing out the salt water, preventing any corrosion, and keeping everything running smooth for years to come. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough on the Everglades 335 center console. This boat is a true testament to Everglades' dedication to engineering excellence and unparalleled quality. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or want more information on Everglades boats. I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse. Let's go make some waves together.